Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So I got out here and I picked a bucket of celosia and I'm going to get my florist order ready. And then I have 2 bouquets to deliver and then I can get started on my farmer market bouquets. All right, I'm all ready to go to my florist. So I got a lot of flowers and I'm ready to roll. I cannot get to the celosia. Okay, so it's been a busy day. I got that celosia all picked. I put my buckets together. I took them to the florist and then I delivered a birthday bouquet and then I delivered a little wedding wildflower bouquet along with a little boutonniere. So that's all done, and then I got back out here and I finished 5 $20 farmer market bouquets because, as you guys know, the farmer's market has been slowing way down. So I'm just going to make 5 of the $20 and 5 of the $10. I do see that there could be winds up to 18 miles an hour, so it's actually not even another good day for the farmer's market, but it is going to be nice out at least. The weather isn't quite as cold as it is today. But I'll just number these 1 through 5, and if you want to throw your favorite in the comments below. Sorry about last week, I got all confused. I thought the brown sunflowers were the first to go, but when I went back and looked at my notes, they weren't the first to go, and I was sure of it. And I even told many of you that you were right. You picked the first one to go, and it wasn't even the right one. And so I apologize for that. I did go ahead and make the video correct, and I did tell some of you I'm sorry. So this week I'll make sure to get it right. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Okay, I got my $10 bouquets done for this week. And I even put some little fresh lavenders in a basket. I figured that would be cute if anyone wanted it. I didn't do too many of them. And I got all my buckets cleaned up. Yay! And the cooler still has a lot of flowers, but a lot went away this weekend, or week. Have some empty spots, and then these are the ones I just cut, and then there's an empty spot over there. Have a lot of snapdragons, some really short sunflowers, and then a few buckets of lysianthus, so I do want to get that. What's left of the amaranth, and then these are kind of older things I need to definitely get rid of at the early part of this week, if not this weekend. So farmer market tomorrow, Saturday, and then Sunday the garden club's coming out. I was contemplating kind of scrubbing the floors in the kitchen, but it's already getting kind of late, so I did clean up everything. I just didn't mop the floors, so maybe I'll do that this weekend.